Hi guys, just in 2 minutes I will show you 5 powerful Excel formulas that will save you hours of work. The first one is a filter function. So as the name suggests, it is used to filter values. The formula will goes like equal to filter, then select the array. We'll select the array like this, comma, include. So which value we need to filter? I want to filter the sales only, and the sales is in the C column. So we will select the C column, equal to sales, close the bracket, enter. So we got the values for the sales one. If we change the HR to sales, the sales value get added here. The next one is XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is very powerful function which can be used instead of VLOOKUP. Like VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP also look up the values according to a criteria. So we want to look up age of John from this table. So for that we will apply the formula here, equal to XLOOKUP. Lookup value will be John, which is in E3, comma, lookup array. The John name is in column A, select the column, comma, and then a return array, which is the age. It is in column B, select the column, close the bracket, enter. So we got the age. It is very simple as that. So the next one is IFERROR. IFERROR function replaces any error values with whatever the value we want to write it there. Like for example, equal to 25, this value divided by 0. It gives an error. Instead of this error, we can write our own message in here. If error function, before that, if error, then comma, double quotes. If error, the value will be whatever the value we want to put it here, we can put it here like maybe hyphen, then close the bracket. So instead of error, it gives us a hyphen. Or if we want to put like check the, so it gives us the value like check the values. If there is an error only. If there is no error, like instead of 0, I am putting in 1. It gives us the exact result. Next one is TEXTJOIN. As the name suggests, it joins two values or more than two values from different cells. Equal to TEXTJOIN. By delimiter, it means what value should comes in between those values which we are joining. In here, I am giving hyphen, then comma, and for in here, I am giving true, comma. For the text one, I am giving John, comma, text 2, age, and text 3, sales. Close the bracket, enter. John hyphen 25 hyphen sales. The next one is sequence. Sequence generates a list of numbers according to whatever the criteria we are giving. So sequence, first of all, it shows how many rows we want. I'm giving 5, comma, and columns. For the columns, I am giving 2, then comma. By start means which number it should start from. I'll put 1, comma. The next one is step. So by step, it is the difference between the next number. I'll put 1, close the bracket, enter. If I am editing the formula and I'll change it to 1 column, enter. So the number will be in 1 column rather than 5. It gives 10. It gives me 10 rows. So that's it. If you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.